This training video overviews the Pelco Sarix Enhanced 4 Series and 4P Series dome camera models. From our flagship Sarix camera line, this camera features our next-generation video analytics to help accelerate response times. This camera offers a more intelligent, powerful video security solution from the moment it is installed. Its modular design and multiple mounting options allow for mounting in various locations and maximum versatility. The Sarix camera line offers flexible mounting applications, such as in-ceiling, pendant, and surface mount installation. This training video will overview the surface mount option. Refer to the installation guide for other mounting options. The guide can be downloaded from the Pelco website. To begin, let's overview the camera cover. 4 tamper-resistant screws are located here that fix the dome cover to the base. The shaded area on the dome bubble here is the infrared cover. This protects the IR sensors and is only available on the IR camera models. Shown here is the vandal-resistant dome cover. The vandal-resistant dome rim is located here. The sidewall plug shown here covers and protects the side cable entry hole. In the following segment, let's take a look at the lens view. The azimuth control shown here provides control of the camera's image angle. The highlighted camera lens captures the video image. The IR LEDs provide IR illumination to scenes in the IR spectrum. This lanyard connects to a lanyard hook on the dome cover. This ensures the camera does not drop during installation. For IR dome camera models, the tilt-lock thumb screw here provides a locking mechanism for the image tilt adjustment. This IR positioning indicator helps when aiming the IR LEDs. Let's overview this side of the camera. Shown here is the USB-C port. This port accepts a USB Type-C to USB adapter. This port is only required when using the optional USB Wi-Fi adapter. The input-output connector block located here provides connections to external I/O devices. The power connector block is highlighted here. This accepts a terminal block with either an AC or DC power connection. DC input can be either polarity. A power connector block is only required if power over Ethernet is not available. Located here is the micro SD card slot for onboard storage. Use the button here to reset the camera to its factory default settings. Located here is the link LED indicator. This amber LED indicates if there is an active connection in the Ethernet port. Next to the link LED indicator is the connection status LED indicator. This green LED provides information about the device's operation. Let's take a look at the back of the camera. The Ethernet port accepts a connection to a network. Server communication and image data transmission occur over this connection. It also receives power when connected to a network that provides power over Ethernet. Located here is the microphone switch. This switch enables or disables the built-in microphone. This switch is not present on the Sarix Enhanced 4P Series camera models. In the following segment, let's overview the rear of the camera. These serial number tags contain the device information, product serial number, and part number label. Shown here is the cable entry hole. The cables required for camera operation go through here. Located here are the mounting holes. These are the mounting points for the camera. Mounting screws attach the camera to the wall plate here. Next, let's overview the mounting adapter. Highlighted here are the electrical box mounting holes. These holes mount the wall plate to an electrical box. The wall plate supports the configurations shown. Located here is the cable entry hole for cables that are required for camera operation. This is the side cable entry hole. This may be required if installing cables through a conduit pipe. Use the lanyard located here to attach the camera to the module. This completes the overview of the surface mount option of the Pelco Sarix Enhanced Series 4 and 4P Series dome camera models. To review the installation steps of these camera models, refer to the Pelco Sarix Enhanced Series 4 and 4P Series Dome camera installation video.